Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. So in order to create a public profile, you need to be older than 18 years old. So first I'm going to click on my profile icon from the top left corner. Here, let's scroll down a bit and tap on create a public profile. Here, select continue. And then tap on get started and select create. To access your public profile, just simply tap onto it, and here's our public profile. Remember, you need to be older than 18 years old to create a public profile, but that's basically how to create a public profile on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.